Today we are reading The Color Monster, a story about emotions by Yanis. This is the Color Monster. Today he woke up feeling confused and he doesn't know why. Are you all mixed up again, Color Monster? Your emotions don't work well when they are all jumbled up. You should try to separate them and put each one in its own jar. If you would like, I can help you. Let's try to make sense of how you feel. This is happiness. It shines yellow like the sun and twinkles like the stars. When you are happy, you laugh and jump and dance and play. You want to share your happiness with everyone. This is sadness. It is lonely and blue like a rainy day. It washes over you like the sea. When you are sad, you hide and want to be alone. You don't want to do anything except maybe cry. It's okay to cry, Color Monster. This is anger. It burns red like a fire and is hard to stamp out. When you are angry, life can feel unfair. Sometimes you want to take out your anger on others, but I will be nice to you, Color Monster, and your anger will disappear. This is fear. It hides and runs away like a mouse in the night. When you are afraid, you feel tiny. You think you don't have the courage to face the gray shadows. But I can help you find your way. This is calm. It is quiet like the trees and as light as green leaves swing in the wind. When you are calm, you breathe slowly and deeply. You feel at peace. Now you can rest, Color Monster. All your feelings are in the right place. See? Don't you feel much better? Uh-oh, I see you feeling something new. You look different, Color Monster. Tell me, how do you feel now? Thank you for reading with me. What kind of emotions are you feeling today? Are you feeling blue or yellow? Maybe you are feeling green and calm. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.